So many people on the internet, they here we go. Lots of these people like to talk about breakcore, you know. And so I'm going to show you how to make breakcore. Alright, so the first step to making breakcore is what you want to do is you want to open up Windows Movie Maker, okay? This will be where we make our tunes, as one would say. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to the pre-installed Almond break that comes with every Windows installation. See that? So CW Almond Classic. That comes with every Windows XP install. I apologize if you use a Mac, but I mean I'm already using Windows Movie Maker. So if you're using an iMac of any kind, or Macintosh, you're going to be out of luck here. So what you want to do is you drag it down here, and now you got your clip. That's it. So there we go. Now you got a clip. So now what you want to do, let's zoom in here. So now we got this clip. You're going to want to chop it up. So we're going to chop it down. And then you're going to bring it in. Do some stuff like that, and then let's do some. You just kind of keep doing that, okay? And then you put your picture. You put the picture of the thing that you want. Oops. There we go. And then that's just, that's your music video, I guess. You can make a music video if you want to. And then, so yeah, I'm going to chop this up a little more. Okay, now it's going. Your final result is going to sound like, now that is the sickest break I have ever laid my eyes on. All you need to do now is make a SoundCloud page, and just like mine, you just need to make a SoundCloud page and post it. This is one I made in Windows Movie Maker. I'm not gonna listen. I'm not gonna let you on. Not gonna let you listen to that. You gotta go listen to it yourself. You fucking idiot. Okay. That's the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching very much.